Hi Zima, how are you today? Hello Lisa, I'm good. What are you doing? I'm bringing some new apple, which I bought from the market. Are you going to the market every morning? No, I just go to the market on every 3 days. Hazima, what are you doing? I want to sleep. Every morning I always sleep before. Do you clean the system also? Yes, absolutely. I'm good at. How about you? What do you do every morning? I help my mom cooking and take care of my brother. After that, I get ready to go to school. Why? Why don't you keep your brother clean? My brother is sick, and my mom told me to go to the market while she's sleeping my brother lunch. Oh, I see. Hey, let's come around me so later tomorrow. Have you finished? I have done. Every night I study so that after the teacher give me homework, I work for it in the evening. Next up is I have been. I always study in the afternoon and but take rice and watch television in the night. I think it's not a good idea to study in the night because in the afternoon